Daylight Time. High wind warning in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning. South winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. The areas affected include Collin, Dallas, Fannin, Hunt, and Rockwall counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and damage property. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 5 a.m.